Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Quest 3 and your Xbox controller have adequate charge so the process won't stall. On the Quest 3, go to Settings and enable Bluetooth or experimental Bluetooth features. This allows controller pairing. Once done, put the Xbox controller into pairing mode by holding the Xbox button and the sync button until the light flashes. Pay attention to the LED state. It tells you when the controller is discoverable, which is required for the headset to find it. Now you perform the actual pairing inside the Quest 3 interface. Navigate to Settings, then Devices and Bluetooth Devices and select Scan. This triggers discovery. When the Xbox controller appears in the list, select it to start pairing and confirm any prompts on screen. Make sure you accept permissions the headset requests so input is authorized. If a code is shown, enter or accept it. Otherwise, the automatic process completes. Once paired, test basic inputs so you know the controller and headset are Finish by confirming functionality. Launch a simple app or the home menu and test buttons, sticks, triggers, and vibration so you verify mappings and latency. If inputs are inconsistent, reboot the Quest 3 and repair the controller. That often resolves temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, try a wired USB-C adapter for the controller or use an Xbox wireless dongle on a PC streaming setup as an alternative. One key troubleshooting tip: interference from other Bluetooth devices can block pairing, so disable nearby Bluetooth gadgets when pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.